The remnants of Hurricane Patricia, one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded, is now causing trouble in the southern portions of the United States. Hurricane Patricia hit Mexico Friday with a weaker punch than feared. So far, no deaths or major damage have been reported from the record-setting hurricane in Mexico. But Patricia's reach has extended to Texas, where it combined with another strong storm system and in some areas caused over 20 inches of rain. Several high water rescues were needed during the flash flooding. Many streets and a major highway had to be shut down. The floodwaters were even strong enough to wash away train tracks, derailing a train in Navarro County. At least one person in Texas has been reported missing, but the search is being postponed until water levels drop. For Newsy, I'm Ryan Beek.